Roughly 14,400 years ago, in what is now Russia, a wolf pup feasted on the meat of a woolly rhinoceros that probably belonged to one of the last populations of the species. A genomic analysis of the woolly rhino tissue found inside the stomach of an Ice Age wolf revealed that the woolly rhino's extinction occurred rapidly soon after. The analysis suggests that the woolly rhino, which lived in northern Europe and Asia, went extinct because of a swift population collapse that might have been caused by a warming climate. The findings were published on the 14th of January in Genome Biology and Evolution. Finding one of the last members of a species is very rare, says molecular ecologist Morten Allentoft at Curtin University in Perth, Australia. You actually have access and direct insights into the gene pool of a species just as it's disappearing, he adds. Nick Rowlands, a paleoecologist at the University of Otago in Dunedin, New Zealand, says that it is even more amazing that the team could generate a genome from the sample. The study adds another important time point in the evolutionary story of woolly rhino, he says. Radiocarbon dating of the most recent known woolly rhino samples suggests that the species went extinct about 14,000 years ago. Radiocarbon dating of the most recent known woolly rhino samples suggests that the species went extinct about 14,000 years ago. Lov Dahlen, an evolutionary genomics researcher at the Center for Paleogenetics in Stockholm, and his team radiocarbon dated the woolly rhino tissue to 14,400 years ago, making it one of the last known members of the species. Dahlen says that the sample was discovered during an autopsy of the puppy, and he and his colleagues received the sample because researchers initially thought that it belonged to a cave lion, a species they were studying. But when they extracted the DNA to map against a cave lion reference genome, it was not a match, instead belonging to a woolly rhino. This is the first time a complete genome of an Ice Age animal has been sequenced from the stomach contents of another, showing that scavenged tissue can provide high-quality DNA even when the surrounding exposed environment destroys it. On April 8th, Colossal announced that it had used cloning and gene editing, based on two ancient samples of dire wolf DNA, to bring three pups into the world, the 6-month-old males Romulus and Remus, and the 2-month-old female Khaleesi.